Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a FUNfetti cake. Before we get started, we're going to need to preheat the oven to 350. So how we preheat the oven is you're going to press bake and start. And it started already, so now we preheated the oven. The next thing is to get the pan ready. So I'm going to be using oil. And you're going to need to use oil so the cake doesn't stick to the pan. Make sure that you get the size because you don't want the cake to stick. So I'm going to be using an electric mixer, and the first step is to open the cake mix and pour it in. The next step is to pour in 1 cup of water. Pour in 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Next step is you're going to need to use 3 eggs and make sure that you don't get any shells in it. Now add the 3 eggs in. Now all of our ingredients are in. We're going to mix for 2 minutes at medium speed. So now when we're done mixing, now it's done mixing, we're going to put half in here and half in there. And make sure that you use a spatula because it would help you. Now we're going to put the cakes in the oven. Make sure that you don't burn yourself. So now the cakes are in the oven. We're going to set the timer for 26 minutes. So now our cakes are done, so make sure you have your oven mitts so you don't burn your hands. So once they're cool, we're going to put one of the cakes on the plate. So now I'm putting icing in the middle. You can use any color that you want, but I'm going to do purple so it's more unique. So you don't have to do this, but I'm doing it, putting sprinkles in the middle. So yeah. The next step is to take out the other cake and put it on top. So put it in the middle, right there. Now the cake is all built, and we're going to put the icing all over it so they can't see the purple or the cake. Make sure you grab a lot. Now we're going to be putting sprinkles on top, so. This is so beautiful. Now, let's taste test. Tastes good. Also because I made it.